Hey everyone, this is Ryan Grimes here from My IT Indie, and we have another AI focused video for you. So, AI is fantastic. Like, it can do a lot of really cool things. The problem with using it in a business is that you have to have control over it, like you would have control over all the other parts of your technology. So, one of the things we ask, businesses like, hey, I want to use AI in my business. Okay, for what? Like, what do you want to do? Do you want to use ChatGPT to find out a better way to do something? Or do you want to have take your existing data structures and data files and have it present you data that means something to you? Those are two different ways of using AI. One is trusting that ChatGPT or another public-facing AI is giving you accurate data. And the other is using your in-house data in a manner to present findings to you and your staff and potentially a client regarding what you found in a set of data. So let's talk about both those things. AI is not necessarily unbiased. We know this. Look up Google Gemini launch. It's a whole thing. We're not getting into it. But how do you trust the data that AI is giving you? Have you actually validated it? We talked about it in our other video. You have to be the subject matter expert in the content you're going to look up and use AI for. Why? Because you have to know when it's wrong. So I can use AI to make something go faster or to do some looking up of some data for me or to find some information out for me, but I have to know what I'm talking about. I have to know that this data is either right or wrong, biased or unbiased. And knowing that is important because you don't want to present wrong information, because using AI is not an excuse to post wrong information or to present inaccurate data. And those things have happened in the real world. Just look them up. The other thing is that if you want to use AI to look at your data, are you protecting your data in the appropriate manner? Are you just using, an example with Copilot, are you just using data in your personal OneDrive shared out, or are you protecting it with SharePoint and making sure that access controls are in place, conditional access is in place, permissions are accurately done so that that data can't walk away? That's a huge problem in our industry because people aren't necessarily understanding what they need to do, and they're not engaging with an IT professional who has experience in this. This is all new stuff. This is very cutting edge, and historical IT companies, traditional IT companies don't really dabble with cutting edge technology. My IT Indie does, but not having the right resources in hand can actually be a catastrophic failure to protect your data. And nobody wants that to happen to you. So this is Ryan Grimes from My IT Indie, making IT work.